I make content almost every day. So anytime I find a tool that helps me a lot and makes things easier, I'm grateful for it. Just wanted to share this with you because I think a lot of people could really benefit from this. I've used a lot of background removal tools, and lots of the time, you have to spend a long time to get it even decent, and it can still be annoying. But this piece of software will do it all. And best of all, it's free using AI. So I'm just going to show you how it works. There's going to be a link in the description, and that's it. I just did this to help you. So please just smash the like button. Don't even bother subscribing unless you're like want more cool tips as they come along randomly. What you could do actually for me is just go to my homepage, check out my other channels. I have content around hairdressing, around reptiles, around drones, FPV drones, really fun stuff. If you don't know what that is, they're drones that you fly while in VR. It's really exciting. Anyways, let me just show you how this works, okay? I really don't want to waste your time because I hate when people waste your time showing you stuff. Hey, welcome to my channel. Make sure you like and subscribe. Here it is. So you just go to this page, linked in description. It's as simple as uploading an image. So we can just go on the computer. Let's see what we got. Okay, I did this girl's hair. Now watch what happens. See, and then you can download it, and then you have it as a PNG. So you can use it to make thumbnails all the time. Show you another example. So let's see this one. Another girl that did her hair. Now watch. The background, sometimes it has a hard time, removing backgrounds, not this, but like other things I've used where it keeps quite a bit. That's good enough. Like that's pretty good. I can work with that. And you can I use this specifically to make thumbnails, and it's just so much nicer to not have to remove stuff. There you go. I used to dress up as a superhero and give haircuts on the street. So you can see Haircut Hero. That's a cool channel. And now, it just makes things so much easier. I love it. I think you will too. You're welcome. Join my Patreon for just $2. Come on. Or as much money as you want to give me. That'd be great. Okay? Until next time.